Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Realme. Firstly, click on calendar. Now you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on event option. Now adjust it however you want to. For example, you can add a title. If you want to, you can also tap starting hour or ending one. If you wish to, you can also disable this feature completely by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Now set up does not repeat and pick one of those options if you want your events to repeat, for example, every year. Now you can add location over here by typing in an address and clicking on the correct result. Then set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before. Take notes over here. Add attachments and even change color. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and make some changes. I will go with does not repeat. Then just save again. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, tap on delete option and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!